What's up, dog? I'm Joey.
Dude, this is so I just feel ridiculous.
I told you, you should have fucking said what you were gonna say.
What's up, fucking Joey from Imzz? Today we're gonna check out those fucking nails. I can't say fucking on every other word though.
Project.
Nelson rig, road trip saddlebags. Fuck me.
Project your voice.
Yeah. Should I not be by the camera?
What?
I can stand wherever you'd like me to stand.
We're doing the assembly and see if it's easier to install and then let's get to it.
One more time.
No! God, I hate you, Shane! What am I, Captain Morgan? Leg on the tire?
For the frame. If you're, yeah.
Oh, like touching
right
it. I get you. I thought you meant like on the tire. Like.
Yeah, that would be tight.
No, it wouldn't.
You always buzz my balls. Shut up, John. You're too loud. Light over there is too fucking bright.
You're a saucy broad. I'll tell you that much.
He's gonna come love you.
Oh, with the booty tap.
Yeah, nice ass.
That's what the ladies tell me.
And I'm gonna walk you guys through how we do it. Fuck me. Gee.
Saw it.
I'm not gonna stop it. Don't put that in there.
Everything you just said, but also say thanks. Thanks for wasting your time on my dumb ass, right?
Hold on.
Anytime now.
I know. Joey with Imzz Elite, we're back in the shop.
Speak
today.
up, motherfucker.
No, I fucking hate you. Why do you make me yell?
Bada ding ding ding.
We're back in the shop today. We got this brand new 2022. Fuck me, Jesus Christ. We're cracking the Joey with Imzz Elite. Mother, fuck me, Jesus Christ.
Giving it a little massage.
I'm just making sure, yeah. Okay, back up. Don't put any of the footage of me trying to get it out, okay?
Sounds good.
We're spicing up. We got a couple things going on. So we're gonna get into it. We're gonna throw the, God, fuck me. Sorry, Shane. Yeah, I'm retarded. I completely skipped getting the push rods out. And when I turn this back wheel, it'll actually physically, oh, Jesus Christ. I'm retarded. All right, time out. What's up?
Do you know approximately how much an install for bars would be on a road?
It's similar to the Road Glide because I still end up having to notch that little nacelle thing that comes on it. Yeah, it's like 4 or 5 hours, so.
This is such bullshit. Shit.
And it's drilling a hole and putting the rubber in.
That's what she said.
What's happening? Got one last step on Chris's bike here with the kickstand drop. Man, I already got
Some fresh upgrades and mods coming right in. Mods for my dyno, bro. Top 5 best mods of 2022. Look at this. 3 asses in 1 camera.
So we've got our red running. We got our right blinker where it's. Oh, you fucking kidding me? I moved something doing all of this.
How the fuck am I gonna get this thing out of here?
Did it make it tighter?
Oh, I hate you so much. If I ever do this again, you guys set me up for failure with that exhaust.
I just thought of something sick.
What's that?
John could take that Tundra that he's driving and put all them Tacoma body parts on it and Tacoma taillights, and it'd be a Tundra coma. So badass it puts you in a coma.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
No way, it's dead?
Didn't I just start it? That badass lay down plate mount, so we're gonna get it on, get ready to go to Born Free. We got all kinds of shit going. I didn't like that anyways, so. All right, we got Shano's sled looking sexy right here with that late, goddamn.
Thank you guys for watching. I don't know what to say. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, like, comment, subscribe. What was I gonna say?
Hold on, sorry. I started it late. You gotta restart.
First things first, it'll be amazing on my first try.
I love it. I love it. Let's run it.
Chris's 2018 straw. Just kidding.
Straw.
2 takes, I'm a natural. I'm sweaty a little bit.
Yeah. You can imagine I'm sweating on stand.
I'm sweating watching you.
Oh, I'm fucked.
Okay.
I'm gonna fuck up and hit his thing.
Should be a good one.
Gotta say it was a little awkward. You want to redo that one? One
It's
more
always
time?
awkward. The whole thing is
Well,
awkward.
Saturday night, lucky as a 7, living in heaven with my Dixieland delight. Spending my make a little loving, a little turtle doving on Mason Dixon night.